Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into some must-have tools for woodworking. If you've ever wanted smoother edges, cleaner cuts, or just that polished professional finish on your projects, this video is for you. We'll be checking out 5 popular router tables and attachments that can make your work easier and a lot more fun. And here's the best part. You'll find all the direct product links in the description below, so you can check them out anytime. Let's get started. Product number 1. Dremel 231 Portable Rotary Tool Shaper and Router Table. The Dremel 231 Portable Shaper and Router Table is a small but clever tool that turns your Dremel rotary into a mini router table. It mounts on almost any bench, so you can set it up in minutes. The table is great for light jobs like sanding, shaping, and trimming edges. It works best for small pieces of wood, craft projects, and fine details. The surface is smooth, and the design is simple, so beginners can use it with ease. You don't need much space, which makes it perfect for garages or hobby shops. While it's not meant for big or heavy-duty projects, it's handy when you want precision on a smaller scale. If you often work on craft items, signs, or simple wood shapes, this tool can save time and give your work a polished finish. Pros: easy to set up and use right away. Great for hobby projects and small details. Cons: too small for larger woodworking jobs. Comment: a great pick if you want a quick, portable option for light wood tasks. Product number 2. SKIL RT1323-01 Router Table and 10 amp Fixed Base Router Kit. The SKIL RT1323-01 is a full starter kit for woodworking. You get a sturdy router table and a powerful 10 amp fixed base router in one package. The table has a smooth laminated surface that lets wood glide with little effort. It also includes quick clamps, so your material stays steady while you work. This kit is designed to make things simple, even if you're new to routers. Instead of buying a table and router separately, this combo gets you started right away. The build feels solid, but it's still light enough to move if needed. While the table may not handle the heaviest all-day work of a pro shop, it's perfect for beginners and casual woodworkers who want a reliable setup. You can use it for edge trimming, grooves, and shaping wood, giving you the freedom to take on all kinds of small to mid-sized projects with confidence. Pros: all-in-one kit that's ready to go. Beginner-friendly with smooth operation. Cons: table may not suit heavy, pro-level use. Comment: a smart choice if you're starting out and want a simple, complete setup. Product number 3. Rockler Trim Router Table. The Rockler Trim Router Table is built for small spaces and simple jobs. It has a compact, adjustable design that makes setup quick and easy. The table includes pre-drilled holes for mounting, which saves time when attaching it to your bench. One of its best features is the clear acrylic base and high-visibility bit guard. These let you see what you're doing at all times, so you can cut and shape with accuracy. This router table is perfect for trim work, detailed edges, or small craft projects. It's not made for large panels or heavy lumber, but it shines when you need control on smaller pieces. The lightweight build makes it easy to move and store, so it won't take up much room in your shop. If you like tools that keep things simple, safe, and clear, this little router table can be a very helpful addition to your woodworking gear. Pros: compact design that's easy to store. Clear base gives a full view of your work. Cons: not built for larger wood pieces. Comment: best if you work on trim, crafts, or detail-focused projects. Product number 4. Bosch RA1181 Benchtop Router Table. The Bosch RA1181 Benchtop Router Table is a favorite for many woodworkers, and it's easy to see why. It offers a large aluminum surface that stays flat and gives you plenty of room to move wood pieces across. The table has adjustable featherboards that help guide your material smoothly, keeping cuts straight and safe. It also includes a dust collection port, so your workspace stays much cleaner while you work. Another plus is its compatibility with many different routers, making it flexible if you already own one. This table feels solid and well built, and while it's heavier than smaller models, that extra weight means it won't move around during use. The design is made for people who want both precision and durability in one setup. It's not the easiest to carry from place to place, but if you want a trusted tool for steady, reliable woodworking, this table has the strength and features to back it up. Pros: large, sturdy work surface. Excellent dust collection system. Cons: heavier, so less portable. Comment: a reliable choice if you value durability and a clean workspace. Product number 5. Kreg PRS5000 Precision Router Lift. The Kreg PRS5000 Precision Router Lift is built for woodworkers who care about accuracy. This system lets you raise and lower your router bit with ease, using a precise adjustment handle. Once you set the bit height, it locks in place, so you get the same cut every time. The lift includes a tough router plate insert that stays flat, even after lots of use. It saves time because you can make changes without removing the router, and that means faster setups and more consistent results. While the price is higher than basic tables, many users find the accuracy worth the cost. This tool is best for serious hobbyists or pros who work on projects that need repeatable, exact cuts. If you spend a lot of time adjusting your bit, this lift will make the job quicker and far less frustrating, letting you focus on the creative side of woodworking instead. Pros: very precise and easy bit adjustments. Saves time with repeatable setups. Cons: costs more than simpler tables. Comment: perfect for anyone who wants control, speed, and accuracy. And that wraps up our list of 5 great router tables and accessories to upgrade your woodworking setup. Each of these tools can make your projects smoother, faster, and more enjoyable. Which one stood out to you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to know. And remember, I've added the direct product links in the description below, so you can easily check them out right after watching.